Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to prepare Aviyal. This is a typical Tamilnadu style Aviyal. First, let us get ready with the masala. For the masala, we need a small piece of chopped coconut, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 8 to 10 shallots. If you don't have shallots, you can use half an onion, a small piece of ginger, 2 green chilies. Add enough water and grind this into a fine paste. So our masala is ready. Set this aside. Now take a pan, pour some oil in it. To this add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of split black gram, that is urad dal. Once the mustard starts popping, you can add few chopped shallots or onions. To this add few curry leaves, and once the onions turn translucent, we can add the rest of the vegetables. I'm going to add 1 chopped drumstick, 1 carrot, 3 to 5 beans, 5 to 8 cluster beans, a quarter of medium sized snake gourd, 3 to 4 brinjal, half raw banana, 1 potato. If you want, you can add few more vegetables. The traditional Aviyal will have around 14 vegetables. Saute everything for about 3 to 4 minutes. To this, let us add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and the required amount of salt. Saute this again for another 2 or 3 minutes. Sauteing the vegetables before adding water will give a nice taste. Now let us add enough water. You can add around 2 cups for cooking the vegetables. Let us close this and cook until all the vegetables turn soft. The vegetables got cooked, so this is a perfect time to add our grinded masala. Now we have to cook this until the raw smell of the masala goes off. This will take another 4 to 5 minutes. You have to cook in medium flame. So here the Aviyal is ready. Finally it has to be like this. Finally I'm going to add few chopped coriander leaves. Give everything a nice mix and switch off the flame. Let us transfer the Aviyal into the serving bowl. And before winding up, let us see the ingredients once again. For grinding, we need 8 to 10 shallots, quarter cup of coconut, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a small piece of ginger, 2 green chilies. The rest of the ingredients are as follows: 5 to 10 shallots, 1 drumstick, 1 carrot, 3 to 5 beans, 5 to 8 cluster beans, quarter cup of snake gourd, 3 to 4 brinjal, half raw banana, 1 potato, few curry leaves, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, few coriander leaves, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of split black gram, salt, oil as required. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.